I'm going to do something really dumb.
Okay.
I'm going to use search and replace, but mashing it into a find command as well.
Now I can imagine reasons that you'd want to do this. You don't know what files contain the string. You want to replace it everywhere. You could use find to find the thing and then use other tools to make the replacement.
Uh, Apache. All right. I probably want to do this in place.
Oh, yes.
So we're going to find all the files in Etsy. And on each one of them, we're then going to execute a sed command. I actually think this is really crazy. Nate, as you mentioned, you said something like, it'll go ahead and execute it on all the files,
Yeah.
whether it's there or not. But that brings up a good point, which is, do I really want to go through all the files in Etsy and make this blind change in place, assuming that I know what's in there and it's in the right spot? I don't know.
Absolutely. I mean, what you could no, I guess you couldn't, not with this command. Oh, you
Oh,
must have forgot to close something.
I did. I forgot to close these
You
quotes.
didn't close the double quotes, it looks like.
Yes.
There you go.
All right. So these are all the errors for files that was not able to make a set on,
Yep.
but very
Rick
quiet.
brought that up.
Made edits on all the files, and I have no idea what was actually changed because I did it in place and I didn't say what it should be.
You can
So,
I guess you couldn't even use print to tell you because 'cause it'll just print every file it found.
yes. I mean, I
Yeah,
could maybe do a compound command on my execute, which
yeah.
is maybe do this.
Now he's going off script, folks.
Yeah. So this would first grep for this string in the file, and then we'll execute the sed. And I'm going to go ahead and also redirect my error messages so we don't get anything.
If you do, you can specify the type in your find to be files only. That's what Rick brought up in the chat.
Yeah, but like Etsy wget-rc, like that's not a directory, right? That's and this is not a directory. So maybe that would eliminate some of the errors, like this one up here.
Good point.
Um,
So why is it saying it's no such file or directory for wget-rc? The mysteries of shell.
I just told you to do a bunch of stuff with no cares in the world on what, and then you're like, why is it giving an error? I don't know. I did something horrible. But this is a place on steroids where I care not, and I'll just destroy update everything.
Update everything. The boss said do it, I did it.
That's right. Who cares whether it's right or works or will survive a reboot?